After 3 whole weeks, my fart can is finally here. I have been waiting for this muffler to come in to replace my old one. It is a replica of the HKS Hi Power muffler. Now a real one goes for around 300 to 350. I got this one for less than half the price, like around 140. So let's check it out. Got that 4-inch burnt tip stamped with that HKS. Got a fake serial number stamp here. Look at them welds though, precise. Just like the original muffler, this has a straight through design. So we got the 4-inch outlet that goes to a 3-inch inlet, which should fit my exhaust.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Honestly, I think this thing looks pretty legit. I've seen $30 replicas and they don't come close to how good this one looks. Anyways, let's get this bad boy on and see how it sounds.